Good afternoon, Warriors, and welcome to the 2018-19 school year. Here's our first homework video of the year. Going through and looking at math in the normal classes. We've got a review test, part 1. It's pages CC 15 and 16. And then the honors class, you have that, but you also have part 2 as well, which includes pages 17 and 18. In science, there is no homework across the board. We will start in notes tomorrow in regards to the microscope. In social studies, we need to study our BIA key terms, as you will have a quiz coming up Friday. Language arts will be in the library tomorrow, so make sure that you do bring your books. Literature classes, we need to read tonight 20 to 30 minutes. You did get books when we were in the library last Friday. Also, if you have not yet brought in your forms and primarily your money for insurance purposes, you need to do that so you can get your Chromebook, as we've already started into them. And then in CNL, you need to bring back your growth mindset quote for Tuesday. That's all for this evening. Have a wonderful, warm evening.